Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset service Volvo S60, easy method. Turn the ignition to position I without starting the engine and press the trip odometer reset until the display shows service. Hold the trip button and turn ignition to position Roman 2, keep holding until the service menu blinks. Release the button and press once to confirm reset, then turn off ignition and restart to verify the service message is cleared. Begin with the key in your hand and the driver door closed for a consistent reading. Turn ignition to position I and watch the instrument display carefully for the service indicator. Press and hold the odometer reset until the service menu appears, then switch to position Roman 2 while still holding. When the display flashes, release and press once to confirm the reset. Turn the car off and then start to ensure the service light is gone. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple car tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers I love for the glove box and trunk. They keep sauces off upholstery and make long trips cleaner. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for that support. Now let's get back to the video. If the service warning does not clear, try the same steps again with a steady hold and clean button presses to avoid missed inputs. Low battery or unstable voltage can interrupt the reset, so ensure the battery is healthy or connected to a charger if needed. If your S60 shows different menus, consult the owner manual for slight variations and avoid forcing buttons that do not respond to prevent electrical glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.